Welcome to the Era for Rolemaster Quick Character Creation tutorial. We will see how to make the minimum choices to have a complete Rolemaster fantasy character ready for playing. Additional videos will present the details on the more complex steps of the character creation process. Although Era provides assistance to assign stats and background options, you only need to choose race, profession and culture, then give the character a name. All the steps have an optional box that gives tips on the current decisions that you need to make. Race selection presents the racial bonus for stats and resistances, as well as the body and PowerPoint progressions, and the detailed description as presented in character log. The base free product only comes with a few sample races, professions and background options. Here we see the complete list after installing the book files available for purchase. When choosing a profession, you can review the cost and professional bonus of the different skills. Also, everyman occupational and restricted skills are mentioned. Stats can be entered here, and the count of the temporary points will be updated on the upper right. After entering a number, you will see the required roll for the potential and the optional fixed value. You must enter your choice in the corresponding field. We will skip this part, since all temporaries and potentials can also be manually adjusted in the character sheet module. You can find and purchase background options here. More will be seen in the individual tutorial for this feature. You can rearrange weapon category costs and add weapons that are of interest to the character. Be sure to check the individual tutorial for combat skill during character creation if you want to learn more. It is important to review the category cost here and create any skills that might be assigned culture or hobby ranks. Weapon skills can also be manually created later in the character sheet module. Now we must choose a culture. Apart from the information on the number of language and hobby ranks, and the fixed skill and category ranks gained, you must assign ranks to the combat skills created in the previous step. Default languages are added with the ranks as suggested in character log. You can add more languages and also assign culture ranks. Language skills can also be added later from the character sheet module. Before finishing, you get to spend your hobby ranks. Ask your game master for the allowed categories and skills for your character. Base, open and close spell list can be added if you get permission. All that remains is choosing a name. And done. Your character can now start learning skills, which is done using the character sheet module. Watch the level up tutorial to know how you can spend those development points. This concludes the quick character creation tutorial. Thanks for watching.